Good afternoon everyone. I hope it is very clean and clear. Now I am going to derive the EMF equation of DC generator. Before derivation, we have to know the related term about this. So let first of all phi. Phi is the flux per pole. Flux per pole in Weber. Then Z is the total number of conductor in armature. It is write in another way, that is number of slots into number of conductors. You can write it in this manner. Then A. What is A? A is the total number of parallel paths. In armature. Then what is N? N is the speed of the armature. Phi, J, A, and N. E is denoted as the induced EMF. Induced EMF in armature conductor. In armature conductor. And we know that in armature binding have two binding. One is lap binding and another is wave binding. So we take A equal to P for lap binding, and we take A equal to 2 for wave binding. Now we have know that the all terms related about this. Now we start the derivation. So first of all, flux caused by one conductor, that is P into Q or PQ, and flux caused by one conductor per second. That is, we have already know that flux caused by one conductor, that is P phi, and for per second it is, we write n by 60. Now G generated EMF by conductor of armature of equal to P phi n by 60. Then EMF generated for path. That is, we can write like this: EMF generated generated in 1 second. In 1 second into number of conductors in is parallel path. Is parallel path. This is the formula. So write here EMF generated in 1 second, that is P phi n by 60, and into number of conductor in is parallel path, that is Z by A. So this is the our EMF equation. You can write like this: Z phi n by 60 into P by A. To take it equation number 1. Now same here we have to calculate, we have to derive the EMF equation for lap binding and wave binding. So first of all, we derive the EMF equation of lap binding. Let me see. For lap binding, we have already know that for lap binding A equal to P. So put this value of P in equation 1. What is our equation 1? E equal to Z phi n by 60 into P by A. So put this value of A in this, or in replace of A. Z phi n by 16 into P by P. So here P and P is 1. Z phi n by 60. That is the EMF equation for lap binding. Same here for wave binding. For wave binding, we have taken A equal to 2. So what is your EMF equation? Z phi n by 60 into P by A. So put the value of A in this equation. That is Z phi n by 60 into P by 2. So solve it. Z phi n, or you can write P Z phi n by 120, or you can like this: P phi Z n by 120. So this is the EMF equation for wave binding. Now we have solved the small numerical program regarding this EMF equation. For example, I have some given data. Let my given data is let P equal to 4, phi equal to 0.07 Weber per pole, and is the speed, that is 900 RPM, and Z is our 440. So we solve the EMF equation for lap binding and wave binding. So first of all, we write the for lap binding. What is our EMF equation of lap winding, that is Z5N by 60. So put the given data in this equation. So Z is our 440 into phi is our 0.07 and N is our 900 by 60. After solve this, we get 462 volt. The unit of EMF equation, that is volt. So same as for wave binding. We find the EMF equation, EMF for wave binding. For wave binding. Wave binding. What is the formula? E equal to P phi Zn by 120. So put this given data in this equation. What is our P? P is our 4 into phi is our 0.07 into Z is our 440 and N is our rated speed is 900. That is by 120. After solve this, we get 924 volt. This is the EMF equation of a DC generator. Thank you.